Hey everybody, welcome to MarLean Fitness. My name is Brooke and I am so excited because we are celebrating 1 year of MarLean Fitness. 1 year ago, I was so inspired to begin this channel to celebrate modesty, Catholicism, fitness, all the things that I love the most, and to share them with you guys, and it has been such an experience and such a gift. So in order to say thank you for all that you've done for me, I am doing a giveaway. And this giveaway is so special because it is a Catholic creators giveaway. So it contains a bunch of different things from all these beautiful small Catholic businesses that were so generous to give these things to me to give to you. Okay, let's get right into it because I'm very excited to share with you guys what we are giving away. Okay, the first item we are giving away are these MarLean Fitness bar socks. I'm so excited about these. The next item we have are items from Catholic Handmade. Catholic Handmade makes these one-of-a-kind, beautiful prints that are perfect to give away for birthday cards or to hang up in your home. Be sure to check out her website because she makes some really beautiful things. Next, we have a Thorns Apparel beanie. I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. It is gonna be here soon. Their Genesis collection is gonna be amazing, and definitely check out their stuff too, as I'm gonna say with all these creators, because they're all amazing. They have some beautiful ways to really wear Christ as you're working out or just in your day-to-day life. This next one is so special. My friend Teresa made these custom rollers. These are from Living Well with Teresa. Teresa is amazing. She makes these different blends, and she actually created a custom one just for this giveaway, which was so special, and it was inspired by Romans 12:2, which is my scripture that I have in my bio and just sort of what I've brought into this YouTube channel. Okay, the next two items are not items, but they're actually classes. First one is Divine Mercy Nutritional Care, and I'll put a video right here that kind of shows you what exactly you'll get with this class. My friend Rita Johnson wonderfully gifted a Cycle Care Companion class valued at $30. The next giveaway is from my friend Bridget, the Dwelling Place, and this is a 1-month membership in the Dwelling Place, and I'll also show a video right here kind of giving you an idea of what that is. My friend Bridget is the owner of Loretto Wellness, and this monthly membership is for Christian women who are seeking healing after birth. Next, we have something from doTERRA Essential Oils from my friend Michelle, and these are little packets. They're so cute. It's called Deep Blue Rub, and they're these little essential oil blends. Next, we have a book by Carrie Walker, who is a very good friend of mine, and this book is a Christian romance novel. Next, we have a lot of amazing gifts from Winning Edge Physical Therapy from my friend Trina, some bath salts, a book, and even some tea. Next, we have a beautiful homemade scapular from So Catholic. I love the pink design, and I thought it would be perfect for MarLean. And finally, my dear friend Abby, who really sparked this whole idea of MarLean Fitness in me, has donated some of her beautiful stamps that she makes. This giveaway is valued at $300, and you could be the winner of all of these amazing items. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, like my giveaway posts, tag a friend, and follow all of the creators that are a part of this giveaway. I will list the creators in the comments below. And if you aren't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. The giveaway starts today, February 18th. I will be pulling a winner on March 4th, and I will announce the winner on March 5th. All of the terms are listed below and on my Instagram, so be sure to check it out. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity. And I just want to say thank you so much to all of the creators who contributed to this giveaway to make it possible, and who also just helped and encouraged me along the whole way. Be sure to tune in to the MarLean into Lent series, and also keep an eye out for the 30-minute birthday bar. God bless all of you. Please know my prayers for each of you.